Thursday. What a beautiful morning. Look at that snow. All you have to do is say, spring is here, and it snows. Today is March 10th. It's about 7 a.m. No, it's a little later. 7:30? No, it's not. It's 7. I was out here early this morning. Sun's just coming up, and it's starting to melt some of the snow off the trees, and it looks so pretty. And I can hear the birds singing, so I know spring is coming. That's so pretty. Here's my little Macy. Good morning, Mace. My little farm helpers. I already woke up the farm. Just going around with some treats now because everybody's still hungry. We got these from Dave and Steph this weekend when they came to visit. So it's got some soldier fly larvae and some mealworms in it. Now, let's see if I can open this, huh? Mother's very interested in what is in this bag, huh? What's in there? Oh boy. That looks good. Yum, yum. It's got some veggies in it. What does it have? Black soldier fly larvae, mealworms, turnip greens, dandelion greens, carrots, and butternut squash. Canadian chicken feet. There we go. I'll sprinkle some right there. Come on, girls. Chickens. Oh boy, we'll sprinkle some right there. Hi, Dawn. You want some? There. Oh, that's a hit. You don't know how many chickens you have until you put out mealworms and black soldier fly larvae. All the chickens came out for that. Oh my goodness, the gang's all here. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Oh, we like this a lot. Oh, thank you, Dave and Steph. Thank you. Oh, boy. I'll put some right down there. Oh, boy. Is that delicious, girls? We love this. Hi, Pepper. Morning, Pepper. You got a cold little foot? Yes, you do. Is Robin getting any treats? Macy, leave it. Mace, hey, that's not for you. That's for birdies. Leave it. Come on, let's go. There's Robin. Morning. There. Do you like that, Robin? Yes, you do. Oh boy. Rooster attack. Come on, Robin. She goes. Oh. Hi, Tuesday. Are you gonna come get some breakfast? Come on. Come get some breakfast. There. Oh, we like that a lot. Flaubert, leave it. Good boy. Come on. Good. There. Nice way to start the day. Flaubert, come here. Good. Come on. Come on up. Hey, Flaubert, come. This way. Good. Wrangling dogs this morning. Robin, did you find something to sit upon? Yes. Are you waiting for a little sunbeam to warm your feathers? Yes. That's a nice way for the chickens to start their day. You liked that a lot. Good morning. Did you like that? Is that nice for you, huh? You shivering in the cold? Sweet little bantam. All right. Well, we hope you all have a wonderful day. Enjoy the snow. I don't think it'll last very long, but it sure is pretty. All right. Bye, Mr. Fluff. Have a fluffy day. We'll see you guys soon. We love you.